Hello everybody, this is my YouTube channel I will start it because many people are asking me, how are you doing this? How are you doing that? Kabayong bundat. And so my YouTube channel, I will use it to answer the many questions that many people have that I can answer. If I don't know it, I will find out. I know someone that can help answer that question. Maybe I will bring them to the channel. So this is just a YouTube channel for helping people out, maybe showing them some help that I
It's
wish.
14 hours.
Oh? Okay. What was I saying? Okay, anyway, this is the channel for the if you want to laugh, I will be spreading positivity. That is the main thing. Spread positivity through humor and to spread some knowledge that I have because I go through many things. My name is PJ, by the way. I come from the Philippines. Obviously, if you are not familiar with the accents, this is very very new to me. I normally don't have my face in the cameras like this. But for the people who want help, I will do it because I feel like it is my duty, my duty to give back to the world as it has given me many things that I could not even comprehend that time that I will be here. But because of the many peoples that are helping me towards, in the future, from the past to now. So from the past, it was the future. But now it is now, okay? So I want to share that knowledge. And so yeah, welcome to the first episodes. And cue the entrance music. If there is one, I don't know yet. Okay. Is it recording? Oh, okay, the red button. Okay, so first things first, my name is PJ. I come from the Philippines. I was born in the Pampangas at a very young age. Before that, I did not talk to my parents because when I was born, I don't have a dad. And so, single mother, I did not know how to talk to her when I was born. So she raised me, She raised me. And then we come to America. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So crazy. I did not even know English. Okay? My first day in the school, I tell them, "Hello, my name is PJ." And then they were asking me, "What is your Asian name?" I was confused. I was so confused. I said, "What is Asian name?" In my head, I did not know that. So I answered, "Peter Jan." Because that is my name, Peter Jan. Everybody start laughing. So whatever. I grow up in the Californias, and then I have many jobs. Okay, I have many jobs there. I was working at the bank, at the Nordstroms, at the where else? Okay, and then after that, I joined the Air Force. So if you are wanting to join the Air Force, let me know. I will help you go with the process. Because it's not easy. It's not easy, When I do it, there was nobody else that joined the Air Force in my families. And so yeah, I joined the Air Force. I had no idea what was happening. Also, before that, the Air Force, I graduate high school 2010. I start putting money in the stock markets because I just know that working 24/7 is not the way to retire. Okay, I want to retire one day. Obviously, not at old age, because if you're old age, you cannot do anything. That is it. Your back is hurting, your knees is hurting, all that. So I want to retire. I want to be enjoying the world, okay, as it was created. I want to enjoy it. And so luckily, everything worked out. I joined the Air Force, and then I meet my wife there. I have a daughter from there. And after that, we get out. Okay, we get out of the Air Force so that we're not moving around, because when I was a little child, we move around all the time. I never have a friends that like a lifelong friends. Like some people, they have, oh, I know this guy since we were born in the kindergartens. Something like that. I don't have that. But luckily, now I am able to provide to my families that stability. Because like I said, yung, what's this called? The universe provide to me. I ask what I want. I ask what I need. And it give to me. It give to me. Sometimes not right away because like they say, you're not ready for it yet. You are not ready. But now I am ready and I have it and I want to share that. I want to share my experience to tell you it is possible and I want to help you get there to your maximum potentials. And if I'm able to do that here, oh my gosh, I am so happy. That's all I want to do in my life is provide the helps to people and make them realize, you have it in you. You don't have to hire somebody, you can do it. That is all. I never, I don't do the courses. I don't do the, what do you call that? Like MLM, like a Herbalife. That is not for me, because I read about it. I have friends and a family that is doing that before. It's just not for me. For me, it was about finding myself, creating my own journeys, and, just doing what my heart tell me to do. Honestly, that is all it is. My heart tell me, hoy, join the Air Force. So I go to, I go to a recruiter office. But, it's very difficult. It was not easy. Especially, English is not my first language, so that the boot camp, oh my gosh, the boot camp. I cannot believe they are yelling to me. The very first night, I'm asking myself, huh? What did I do here? Why am I doing this? But then, inside my heart, I know this is the right moves to me. And as time goes on, obviously, it was the right moves. If I don't join the Air Force, oof, I don't know where I am, because back then I had a bad friends, okay? I had no good job, blow job, hand job. I do it all, but nothing was a good one. I'm just kidding, by the way. I don't do that. Okay, red button, recording. Okay, and so yeah, that is it for now. I just want to introduce myself and the purpose of the video and the channel. I will just make it. I will just make video maybe once a week. Every Saturday I will upload. I will upload every Saturday so that it is a continuous one. It's a continuous always there's episode or something because there's always something to talk about. So, okay, if you subscribe already, thank you very much. If you want to subscribe later, that's okay. Just press the like button there and it will come. You can come back to it. You don't have to subscribe now. But limited time offer only, is free. It's free forever actually. Isn't that exciting? There's a free videos. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, one last thing before I quit this video. What do you call that? I have a YouTube shorts, okay? There's a funny videos there. In my Instagram too, there is a funny videos there. So if you want to see a lot of that short form content, you join that. Okay, you follow that. But if you want longer form content, this will be about 10 minutes per video. This is it, man. I will make sure it is positive. It is a funny one for me. For me, it's funny. For you, I don't know. But for me, it's funny. It's spreading positivity and, sharing my experience. Okay, that's it. Okay, bye-bye.